Bowling Green might be known for its caves and corvettes, but this destination has a secret ingredient, its culinary scene. Today on BGKY Eats, we're visiting our friends at Wild Eggs for their take on a traditional Kentucky treat. As the home of USA Today's Best Hot Brown in Kentucky, we will talk with owner Angela Reeves and general manager Shaw Marie Lee and see for ourselves what makes this hot brown the best in the bluegrass.
So a hot brown, my knowledge of a hot brown, it was created at the Brown Hotel in Louisville, Kentucky back in the 20s. People would go there dancing and having a good time, and they came up with something to feed patrons early in the morning that would be nice and filling for them. The original one had turkey and bacon and a Mornay sauce, so those are kind of the main three ingredients that they're normally going to have. Obviously, there's some different versions of that people have created over time, including us. We're obviously a breakfast restaurant, so we top it with an egg. You can get the egg cooked any way you'd like, but actually the flavor of the yolk over top really mixes in with the Mornay. It just makes a really good flavor profile. And then we use a white cheddar Mornay as well, which I think just brings, I mean, who doesn't like cheese
white
sauce?
Cheddar, yes.
So, and white cheddar especially. So it just all comes together. We top ours with tomato and paprika, and it's just a wonderful dish we've got. It's become one of the favorites.
With both of us having restaurant as our background and being involved in other restaurants, we just wanted a place of just a home environment, just where everybody is a family. Our staff is very close. We're all very family, a tight-knit family, and we just want our guests to feel that way. So over the last 4 years, we've definitely built a clientele that are our regulars, and they all kind of care and get to know us, and we do for them as well. So just having that warm environment of people feeling welcome as soon as they come in the door. So we are open Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. and on the weekends we're 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. But we also have a fabulous lunch. We serve homemade chicken salad and homemade egg salad. We have a Reuben. It's half a pound of corned beef. We got great salads, and I would love to be able to see our lunch clientele build up and know that they can come and get an awesome lunch and still do it in an hour time.
With that, you know, we have free Wi-Fi as well. So,
Yeah.
you know, I think people think of places that like maybe Panera Bread or somewhere that they can go sit and do work. We actually had outlets put in all along
Yeah.
the outside of our wall so that we can be more accommodating to people that need to have lunch meetings or that do want to sit here for a couple hours.
Yeah.
It's, you know, it's not a place that you have to come in and out. You know, you can definitely enjoy the Wi-Fi and coffee and lunch. And we have people sometimes that have eaten breakfast and then just stayed through and just went ahead and had lunch as well, or had multiple meetings throughout the day, and that's what we love.
The Kentucky Department of Tourism has declared 2018 the Year of Kentucky Food, with a regional focus on pork dishes. Inspired by local flavors, we'll explore restaurants in the Bowling Green area and hear what makes these plates stand out. Visit our website to learn more about the BG Eats route and our local cuisine. Thanks for watching, and make Bowling Green your next foodie destination.